welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria, and in this video we're going to be going over the different types of eyelash extensions, the different types of curls and diameters. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that bell notification so you are subscribed to our channel. This is going to be going over part 3 in our classic lash extension course. Now let's get started. Alright ladies, now let's talk about the different curls. So when it comes to your client's eyelashes, choosing the right length and curl for them is very important. You want to be meeting your client's expectations, but also educating them on what would best fit them. You want to make sure they are getting the desired look while maintaining something safe and manageable for them. So let's talk about the different curls. So the J curl would be the least dramatic curl in the industry to work with. This curl is more for natural lashes, but will not provide very much curl at all. This lash is ideal for those going for a more natural look. It's not often used because it tends to look too natural. And the J curl is best for people who have somewhat of a natural curl to their natural lashes. It's not really for people who have very flat lashes, or else it just won't give them a curl at all. B curl would be the next step up. This curl will give you the added lift while still staying semi-natural. So I have actually used the B curl a few times, not too much, but the B curl is actually very, very good if you have a client who just wants a very natural look. Now the C curl is more of like, your happy medium. This curl is perhaps the most popular in the sense that it provides the lift of a lash curler to open up the eyes. The C curl is the most popular. I feel like I find myself working with the C curl most often. It's not too dramatic, it's not too natural, and it's just right in that medium of curliness. And then the D curl would be the next step up. This curl adds more of a lift than the C curl, and it's for added definition and for it to kind of give it like a sweet look. So it's recommended to create more defined eyes. Next would be the DD curl. So if they like the D curl but they want to go a little bit more dramatic, the DD curl would be the best. And then if you have a client who has very natural lashes, the L curl would be very, very good for them. It would actually look really nice because it lifts their natural lashes. And then I believe there's actually another curl, which is L plus curl. So those are all the curls, and if you do have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to get more in depth with those curls. Okay ladies, now we're going to jump into the different diameters for classic lash extensions. In other words, the thickness of classic lash extensions. Starting from 0.10 is the thinnest classic lash extension that you can use. It then goes up to 0.15, 0.20, 0.25, and 0.30. Now, I wouldn't recommend using anything above 0.20 because that is just way too thick of a classic lash extension to use on your client's natural lashes. Realistically, our natural lashes are not thick. If they really are in good shape, I would use 0.15. And in rare occasions, I would use 0.20, but most of the time I use between 0.10 to 0.15. The reason being is that if your client's natural lashes are not as thick or as healthy, it can result into, if you were to put a classic lash on there, let's say 0.20 or 0.25, it would be so thick that they can result in experiencing poor retention. It would be so heavy that it would probably drop. As far as a lash extension goes, it would completely drop, or it might not even stick to the natural lash when you're going through the process of application. Also, it could potentially damage your client's natural lashes. They can cause their natural lashes to break. So I would probably stick with, when you're just starting off, 0.10, 0.15, and if they're lucky, you can probably go to 0.20, but I wouldn't go anything above that. Now, just to kind of cover this, anything below 0.10 is considered volume. We're not going to jump into the volume course just yet. We're going to be covering classic lash extensions, but I just want to kind of, educate you on that. So it actually goes all the way down to 0.03. So 0.03 would be the thinnest lash extensions that you could possibly use. Then it goes all the way up to 0.30. Next, let's talk about length. So kind of in the same boat with, you want to make sure that you are choosing the best lengths for your natural lashes. The rule of thumb is you don't want to go above 3 millimeters longer than your client's natural lashes. If you do want to keep their natural lashes healthy, that's the rule of thumb. So unless your client comes in and they already know exactly what they want, and they want mega volume and they want long lashes, now you could possibly do that with mega volume because of how thin those lashes are, but you won't be able to do that with classic lash extensions. So you kind of have to figure out your happy medium and that healthy balance when you're trying to figure out the thickness and the length and also the curl for the natural lash. So let's start off with just kind of talking about the length. So the lengths can actually vary between 0.04 millimeters all the way up to 20 millimeters. Now, I have never worked with anything above 17 millimeters, and that's working with volume lashes. With classic lashes, I probably never went past 15 millimeters just because your client's natural lashes don't really grow that long. I would say past 15. If they do, then that's awesome. Then you can put a 16 millimeter length lash extension on your client's natural lash, and for it to not be unhealthy. But like I said, the rule of thumb is you do not want to place a lash extension on your client's natural lash longer than 3 millimeters, just to keep that healthy lash. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on different types of curls, lengths, and eyelash extensions. If you do have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. If you would like for me to have a live stream and talk more in depth with all of this, let me know. I'll definitely do that for you by the end of the week. Also, don't forget to help us reach that 5,000 subscriber goal. Subscribe and also comment down below Lash Therapy. You'll be submitted in that free giveaway for lash supply. And also, if you are interested in purchasing any supply within this course, I'll leave all the links down below on where you can purchase supply. There's a couple of different brands I would suggest. A couple of them are Paris Lash Academy. They're a really good company. Lashes by Kins, and then also Amazon. So you can never really go wrong with any of those companies. And I'll also leave a link down below as well with a promo code that you guys can receive 10% off on your purchase.